Hello, ladies and gents. Your host, Element Danbell, of course, looking at the markets today from the lens of XM markets. We are looking and using their MetaTrader 4 platform. And the chart in focus today, of course, is gold. A lot of volatility in the safe haven metal coming, of course, as we're waiting for the Federal Reserve to release the latest FOMC minutes from July's meeting. Of course, as well, we know the Jackson Hole Symposium is also taking place. So a lot of volatility, a lot of Fed related volatility in the markets today. And of course, we have seen this in the move which has taken place earlier today in gold. And to be honest, it's somewhat expected. Of course, we have seen gold in recent weeks declining towards that floor of 33 100. But of course, historically, we have seen a lot of bullish activity taking place at that floor. And this is exactly what has happened. History has repeated itself. So the bulls did buy at that level in anticipation of similar moves. Now the question is, where next? Where could we see gold headed in the next couple of days? Of course, if the momentum does continue, the first stop could be that resistance level there of 30, 365, 66. One potential barrier stopping it from reaching there, of course, will be the relative strength index. As you can see, there is a ceiling approaching close to the 50 level, 49.79 to be precise. And you can see where we're tracking now. So if we are able to see this level broken, then I think it's highly likely we will see that ceiling reached in terms of price, potentially even taking us further, closer to the 3400s. So, guys, that is just a brief recap on the gold market today, of course, as we move closer to the time of the FOMC release, which I believe is at 7 p.m., you will see some volatility, generally speaking, from a lot of trading platforms. But with XM, what you typically have is straight through clean execution. So very little slippage. You can see the spread as well is incredibly tight. So depending on what you are looking for, this is definitely a good choice of trading platform or broker to use. So guys, until tomorrow, this is Element Danbell over and out.